Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install Postman app on Ubuntu or Linux. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then download the Postman terminal from official website. So write Postman and then browse this URL. Click on the product and then select this download link. Now download the Postman tar archive. Click here to download. I already have downloaded it on my machine. Okay, and then navigate to the downloads folder. Extract the archive file and then navigate to this directory. Now open in terminal and now move this extracted Postman subdirectory to the opt directory with sudo privilege sudo move postman to opt. Hit enter. Now enter the password for this user. Okay, now exit this terminal. Okay, now reopen the terminal and navigate to the opt directory, and here you will see the Postman. Now create symbolic link to the Postman. So write this command with sudo privilege sudo ln -s for symbolic link and then define the Postman executable path and then user bin Postman. Okay, now hit enter. Now enter the password for this user. Hit enter. Okay, now launch Postman from terminal. Just write Postman, sorry, Postman. That's it. If you don't have an account on Postman, continue without an account. I'm going to use the lightweight version of Postman. That's it. Now I'm able to send a request like get, post, put, patch, delete. Okay. Now I'm going to create a desktop entry to launch Postman from the application menu. So I'm going to open a new desktop file and also I'm going to follow this documentation. So write this command sudo nano. This is the text editor and then define the path where you want to create the desktop file and then write the Postman file name within the extension desktop, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user. Okay, now copy this and paste here and update the executable path here opt and also change the path opt. Okay, Now save this file for nano text editor, Control X and then Shift Y, then hit enter. Okay, now open the application. Now click on the application launcher, and here Postman icon should appear in your application launcher, or you can search for Postman. That's it. Postman installed successfully and desktop entry created successfully. Now I am going to open this. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.